Good morning. For a standard 7 student, as chapter 1 about geography as a part of social science, it is clear that first chapter of the geography indicate about the matter concerned to the environment. It is quite necessary for the student of standard 7 to understand about the geography of standard 7. Standard 7 geography became as a mix-up of the physical and the natural geography. So first chapter indicate about the mix-up of the physical and the natural geography related to the physical geography concerned to the editorial of the student for standard 7. Standard 7 student better understand about the definition of geography, classification of geography as to the previous class of standard 6. We are already know about the geography describe the matter concerned to the internal and external descriptions of the earth with the related surrounding. So all about the interior structure of the earth and the exterior structure of the earth will be carried out with the help of the environmental limitation. So this chapter indicate about the matter for a standard 7 student as better understanding about the natural environment. Nature provides us about the something which became useful for us as for the betterment and the survival. As an environment represent about the autobiography above the exterior of the earth, those will be originate by the nature through the different components. So origin of the natural environment with the act of the nature in a particular surrounding led to the concept of environment. It will be classified by geologists, geographer and the scientist on the basis of the natural activities and the characteristics and application of the goods and services which found in our surrounding. Now accordingly, as chapter at a glance, it is indicate about the biotic and abiotic component considered about the totality of environment. So environment indicate about the surrounding where we live. Those will be comprised through the biotic as well as the abiotic component. Biotic component comprises to all about the living organism concerned to the autotrophs and heterotrophs. Autotrophs as about the plants who became carry on all about the function by self with the help of the abiotic component. But heterotroph like human being, animals and other organisms who depend to the abiotic component, so related to the biotic and abiotic component led to the descriptions of the natural environment. Abiotic component we are already know before as lithospheres, hydrospheres and atmospheres. We are already know before as lithospheres comes to the upper surface of the crust where the rocky spheres, those will be subdivided on the basis of the different as about the texture, origin, age, and other factors, those humus and other factors, those classified as about the upper layer of the lithosphere considered as soil. Soil became as about the living component which required all about the living being. So lithosphere is the basic requirement of all about the living organism. Those will be come out with the help of abiotic component. Now hydrosphere is also second important factors where the living organism or related activity of the living organism fully or partially depend. In this way, atmosphere also required. As about the atmosphere, we already know about the lithosphere as a rocky spheres. Those will be originate by the different ways as through the weathering and erosion. We are already know about the weathering will be come out with the help of the heating and cooling of the lithospheric rocks, and those will be disintegrated, and after that the erosion take place in a particular areas. So combined process of the weathering and erosion usually called denudation, and denudation is a process according to the geologist scientist. Accordingly, the lithosphere can be originate. Now hydrosphere as 2/3 parts of the earth's surface will be covered with the hydrosphere. We are already know before as the oceans, seas, rivers, distributaries and other natural water bodies comprises to the hydrosphere. So hydrosphere cover the 2/3 part of the earth, only 29% part covered with the lithosphere and 71% covered as a hydrosphere. Hydrosphere also comprises as fresh and the salty water, those found among the natural water bodies as about the oceans, seas, rivers, distributary and other natural water bodies. Next to the atmosphere, we already know about the atmosphere also comprises to the different type of the life required gases or the airs which found in our surrounding. Blanket of air surrounded over the lithosphere and hydrosphere considered about the requirement of the living organism referred the atmosphere. So layer of air considered as the atmosphere according to the distribution of the air we are already know before as about the percentage of the air as oxygen, as carbon dioxide and the hydrogen and noble gases. Something about the descriptions as a basic requirement of the student also given as biotic component. We are already know about the plant kingdom and animal kingdom combined known as the biotic kingdom, biotic components of our environment. Those who carried out as about the producer considered as autotrophs like plants, herbs, shrubs, creepers, climbers and others. While the heterotrophs like consumer as about the example of human being and the animals, those visible in naked eyes or invisible. All are required for the continuation of our ecosystem. Our ecosystem also comprises on the basis of the environment as well as the weather and climatic condition of an area. So this chapter indicate about the abiotic component of environment, biotic component of environment with totality of environment, those carried out by the skillful organism like human being. Some about the act of the human being as well as the animals which led to the different type of the problem in everyday life, those led to the destruction of our environment. We are already know before as about the destruction come out as a global problem or the challenges over the world today. Global challenges of the world today as ozone layer depletion. Ozone layer where the hole became broadened due to the different type of the toxic gases which released with the act of the human being through the factory, through the vehicles, through the different type of the others equipments, likely to the CFC, monoxide, CO2 and other hazardous gases, those led to the pollution, and environmental pollution led to the broadening of the hole to the ozone layer. And this activities of the human being or the other component, other living organism led to the depletion of ozone layer. Those became as challenges over the world today. Next to the problem also carried out with the act of the human being over the world, likely to the acid rain. Different type of the acidic rain also come out over the world due to the human activities, and those led to the destruction over the survival of living organisms. Third one about the problem also come out with about the global warming, heating of the earth's surface. Too much heating of the earth's surface led to the difficulties of the survival of living organisms, and those also led to the different type of the problem like reverse condition of our environment as well as the survival of living organisms. Greenhouse effect also come out as a glass house effect concerned to the different type of the hazardous gases, those led to the different type of the problem. Lastly, as a consequence, it is clear that different type of the deforestation and related to the destruction act of the human being led to the destruction of our environment. Some about the problem will be created by the human being likely to the environmental degradation, as about the land pollution, water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution and different type of the other pollution. Those will be settled with the act of the human being. So concerned to the act will be carried out by the human being, those became led to the destruction. As about the next topic also given as chapter 1 as interaction between the component of our environment. Something about the component like as natural, biotic and abiotic, those will be comprises as interdependency to each other. Abiotic component fully or partially depend to the biotic, and biotic component also depend to the abiotic component. In this way, interaction take place and those led to the survival or existence of ecosystem. Human environment related editorial also given as a chapter which led to the creation, action and the activities of the human being as creative, but those led to the destruction of our environment or the nature. Increasing pollution, population and deforestation also led to the different type of the global problem. Those led to the global challenges over the world today. So this chapter indicate about as a conclusion about the natural environment. So continuation and the protection or the preservation of the natural environment is quite essential for continuation of our ecosystem. Some about the related question or as a chapter at a glance. What do you mean by natural environment? What are the origin and the concept of environment? Classification of environment, differences between biotic and abiotic component, differences between autotrophs and heterotrophs, differences between the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere, reasons for ozone layer depletion, reasons for global warming, acid rain, greenhouse effect, and way of the interaction between the component of our environment. What do you mean by human environment? What are the composition of human environment and how can we protect natural environment? That's all. Thank you.